So what is so special about tahini butter? Well, first of all, what is it? It's basically ground sesame seeds. And there's quite a few good things about tahini butter. First of all, it's very keto-friendly. It's a very good amount of healthy fats with great protein and a lot of nutrition. And I would recommend consuming it raw. And that way you get the vitamin E complex and some of the other fat-soluble vitamins, including linoleic acid and quite a few other ones. Tahini butter is very rich in phytonutrients, which can help to protect the cells, clean up free radical damage from all the pollution and oxidation. It also has one of the highest sources of something called methionine, which is an amino acid, which is really good to prevent graying of your hair. It also helps to build glutathione, which is the main antioxidant for the liver. It also can help form new blood vessels and decrease copper poisoning. So tahini is loaded with vitamin B1, iron, zinc, copper, magnesium, manganese. It can help support cholesterol levels, blood pressure, reduce anxiety, dizziness, and headaches. And the way that I consume it is in my salad dressing, and I also use it in hummus. But because of the bland taste, I usually mix it up with other types of nut butters. But some people actually really just like it as is. So if you haven't tried tahini butter, I put some great links down below in the description so you can check it out. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications.